To recycle is to use something again, to give it new life. Today we're going to be reading from Peppa Pig, Recycling Fun. Mr. Bull is collecting trash. Mr. Bull puts the trash in the back of his truck. Peppa, George, and Mommy Pig are collecting trash too. They collect bottles, cans, and newspapers. We can recycle much of this trash, says Mommy. They put the trash in the car. Mommy Pig has all the bottles. Peppa has all the cans. George has all the newspapers. Miss Rabbit is recycling trash too. She is recycling cars. Daddy Pig recycles the bottles. Mommy Pig and Peppa recycle the cans. I like this, Peppa says. George recycles the newspapers. Oh no, Miss Rabbit is recycling Daddy Pig's car. Stop, says Daddy Pig. Stop! That is not recycling. That is our car. Oh, says Miss Rabbit. I like recycling too much. Our car is not trash, says Daddy Pig. No, says Peppa. We like our car. To recycle is to protect the environment. How can you and your family make recycling fun? Think about it. I'll see you next time, friends. Bye.